Hi everyone, it's a quickie for you. You've waited ages for your driving test. You may have waited months, even longer, during the pandemic. Trying to get a test was a nightmare. You finally got it and you passed. Wow, what an achievement. And the expense and the stress. You've got your license. Remember, you can lose it in a flash, and I mean in a flash. If you acquire 6 points in your first 2 years, the whole test will have to be redone, and the theory as well. And you imagine this extra expense, the insurance, everything. It's not worth thinking about. And 6 points, to be fair, is pretty easy to get. I mean, you can be unlucky, but again, you've just got to be very, very vigilant. And of course, remember the mobile phone rule. If you're caught using a mobile phone, it's 6 points instantly. And that means if you're a new driver on probation, the whole test and license is gone. So bear that in mind. But we're not just talking about new drivers. Nobody wants to acquire points because they can be expensive. They can cause aggravation for work, insurance, and of course, if it's something serious, then I've got no time. But the thing is, you can be very, very unlucky getting caught in a camera, although you shouldn't really be getting caught in a camera, but sometimes it can be a case of bad luck, and you can acquire points. Just bear that in mind. So the roads today are pretty stressful, and they're getting more stressful. More cameras, more speed limits. Just make sure you're very vigilant. And remember, even bus lanes, although you may not get points, you're going to get fined. So there's so many things you can be fined for now and not even realize you've done it. Anyway, stay safe. Remember, if you're a new driver, drive safely, enjoy yourself, enjoy the freedom. But remember, 6 points in your first 2 years and the whole thing's gone. You've got to redo it all again. Stay safe, everyone, and safe driving out there. Be vigilant.